Hello, it's clear that you want to manage your money effectively, and you've stumbled upon the right video. In this video, I'll talk about how you can manage your money, specifically the 50-30-20 rule. Towards the end of the video, I'll also provide a brief explanation for young individuals. Let's get started without further delay. Imagine there's a circle, and let's assume half of this circle, which is 50%, represents your expenses. This 50% part signifies your needs, such as budgeting and understanding where your money goes. The next 30% represents your desires, and the remaining 20% goes towards savings or payments. Remember that this is post-tax dollars. We call it net income. Let's say you earn a $100,000 per year gross, but after taxes, we're only dealing with specific numbers, using after-tax dollars. So what falls under our 50% needs? These might include rent or mortgage, food, transportation, bills, and other necessary expenditures. 30% of your income should be allocated to discretionary spending and optional expenses such as dining out, entertainment, shopping, etc. The remaining 20% should go towards savings or debt payment. This portion can be utilized for creating an emergency fund, reducing debts, or investing. Are you a young person? Don't worry. What I'm about to explain is tailored just for you.
Nice.
Allocate 30% of your income for saving or investing. For example, if you earn $100 daily or weekly, 30% of that would be $30. Let's assume you save on a monthly basis. That would leave you with $900. If you save on a weekly basis, it would be $120. That's all I have to say for now. In the next video, I'll talk about how you can double your money. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content and hit the like button.
Bye-bye!